Hi, I'm Jeff O'Mara, and I'll share with you another breath technique. It's called the Ujjayi breath. Okay, I like to call it the ocean breath because the sound and the sensation that can come with it sounds like the ocean. It feels like the moving of the waves of the ocean. Okay, so the way this one is practiced is you can imagine if you were making the ha sound, like as if you were fogging up a mirror or fogging up to clean your glasses. So it's going to be something like this. It's going to be the ha, and you make that sound and then just simply close the lips. Okay, so it ends up being something like this. Okay, it works on both the inhale and the exhale. Okay, so, and then when I inhale, I might squeeze the lips a little bit. Okay, and what's happening is there's a slight constriction in the throat. Okay, so what this allows is a real kind of control over the pace of your breath. Okay, so this breathing technique can be applied to really any of the other breath practices that we've practiced. You know, the complete breath, lengthening the exhale. This is perfect for lengthening the exhale because we're controlling the speed of the release of it. So we can really slow it down, okay? Really stimulating that relaxation response. Okay, so this breath can be used to energize, but it can, and to build heat in the body, but it also can be very soothing and very relaxing to both the body and the mind. Okay, that the point isn't to make that sound necessarily. You might make a very kind of quiet level of that sound. You might make no sound at all. You can actually just feel the texture of the movement of the breath. And that's enough to place your awareness upon, right? So, if we're going to practice that, again, you find a nice tall seat. You can close your eyes if you like, or keep your eyes open, just drop your gaze. Okay, and then you might just take a breath where you make that ha sound, just nice and quiet to yourself, and then just close your lips and feel if you can see if you can feel that circulation in the back of the throat. Okay, so. Okay, you can breathe at whatever pace feels comfortable for you. As you get more familiar with this technique, you can see how you can really start to modulate the speed of the breath. Okay, maybe applying it just very gently, or applying it a little bit more firmly if you really want to stretch that breath out. Okay, take a number of breaths here and see if you can find that. Okay, that ocean sound might be just barely audible. Maybe just you can hear it, nobody else could hear it, even someone sitting right next to you. Or, again, it might be totally silent, you're just feeling that texture in the throat. Beautiful. Let's take 2 or 3 more rounds of breath. Okay, you might blink your eyes back open, return to a natural breath. Okay, reflect on how you feel in your body, in your mind. Okay, again, this Ujjayi breath or this ocean breath is one that you can really practice anytime, anywhere. You can keep it nice and slow, nice and quiet, keep it to yourself, really help you stretch out that nice long breath. Feel that peace coming into the body, coming into the mind. So enjoy.